Good morning, children. This is for standard 5th to standard 7th. Okay, students, you all remember how much fun we all had doing so many choreographies together, right? We were always dancing throughout the year. We have done some 5 choreography or more, right? So this year, since you all are not with me and we cannot dance together, we are going to have this celebration of our feast of Saint Alphonsus, which was on 1st of this month. We are going to have the celebration, though you are not here, but still we are going to have it. How we are going to have it is by, I'm going to send you some videos, okay? Videos of a choreography. Even when we used to practice over here, sometimes I used to show you some videos and songs, right? After seeing, you used to learn, and I used to help you to teach you that steps, and we used to do the dance. The same way, I'm going to give you some choreographies which we have already done last year itself. You have to just see the video again and again, learn the steps, and make that video. Okay, ask your parents to record you all when you all are doing that dance and send it to us so that we can give you prizes. Okay, so the 4 songs that I'm giving you is Fruit of Spirit. You all remember that step that we did last year? Remember? Fruit of Spirit? Remember this dance, this step? Right. So that dance I'm going to give you, Fruit of Spirit. And then Deep, Deep, Deep. Remember Deep. Remember that song? Deep, Deep, Deep. That dance choreography I'm going to give you. And then there are 2 more songs. These choreographies you may not know, but I'm going to send you a video which has these dance steps in that. You can learn any one of this dance, not all children, any one. You can make a selection, okay, which dance you want to do. Take one choreography, learn it completely, ask your parents to take a video of that and to send it to me, okay? Apart from this, children, if you can't dance or if you're not interested in dancing, I have something else for you. You can have a speech on one of the persons that I'm going to name now, but all of them you have to talk about their social service that they did towards our nation, okay, towards the poor people. Only the main focus of yours will be towards the social service aspect of their life. So the speech will be about, first one is our patron, Saint Alphonsus. Saint Alphonsus is a person who was always reaching out to the desolate and abandoned people. He always used to reach out to the unprivileged people. That is the reason he has made this school as well, right? And he has done lot of charity and lot of service and ministry towards poor people. I will give you a write-up about him, okay? You can read, and from that also you can make a speech about him and send it to us. Apart from this, you can talk about Mother Teresa, you can talk about Mahatma Gandhi, you can talk about Abdul Kalam. So I've given you 4 topics. Any one of the topics you can give a speech about it. Children, you are in 5th standard. I expect you to at least have 10 lines in your speech, okay, and say it properly with a proper pronunciation. You have prizes for each of these competitions. Whatever you do and send to us, everything should be video recorded and sent to us. When we see the video recording, then we will judge you and we will have the prizes given to you. First, second and third prize will be definitely given to one of those who have done the best, and also participation will be appreciated. So I request all of you. For the choreography, I know Jeremiah, Esther, Yola, brother, sister in the same house. I want you all to attempt this. And Brinda, Vaishnavi, Angel, all of you, even Tarun, you all can do this dance. Some of these you already know, some you may not be knowing. We have lot of brothers and sisters studying in the same school. All of you can make a group and do this group dance. If not, you can do solo dance as well, right? So these choreographies are for you to do and to send it to us, and I'm looking forward to see your smiling faces and your beautiful dance. So I will tell you when you have to submit this along with this. So along with this video, I'll also tell you the date of the submission. So before that, you prepare everything, record it and keep it ready and send it on the particular date when I tell you, and then I'll be able to judge you accordingly, okay? So do this, children. I'm looking forward to see you all. Thank you.